stupid things that Ford has done. Engine-wise, transmission-wise, drivetrain-wise, it's been a great truck. But it's the little BS things that every auto manufacturer has. But the Ford emblem is just disgusting. It's completely disintegrated. And let me show you the tailgate. The tailgate is one of the things that just, you've got to scratch your head. What nutty bean counter would design a truck that when you use it like a truck? Oh yeah, this fell off. I had to go buy a new one. Just fell off. Okay. This cover, I'm assuming it covers up the mechanism in there, the latching mechanism. So they put this lip here, and as you drag things out of the truck, whether it be lumber or bags of stuff, it catches this lip and it bends it up every time. So I had to go and, you see what I did here, bang it back square, drill holes, and just so it won't peel it up. And then there's this nonsense. They put this lip, this is the plastic tailgate top protector, I guess you call it. And there's a lip here. Same thing. You drag things in and out of your truck and you catch that lip and it knocks this off. Absolutely ridiculous. This thing just flops around. It's the dumbest thing they could have ever done. Here's another one. Silly little things like that you'd think they would check, you know. And then here's the one that just drives me absolutely berserk. Well, before I get to that, one second. The blend door actuators. And what that is a little motorized plastic encased thing that opens and closes blend doors. And those are the things that send the AC or the heat to the floor or to the defroster or out the dashboard vents. It is so, there's two of them since this is a dual climate thing. There's one that is way back up in here that you can't get to unless you rip the dashboard out. And there's one behind this that all this has got to come out to get to. And then you got to have a joint in your arm between your elbow and your wrist in order to get to it. I have a video of me replacing it. Stupid, and it's such a common thing that you'd think they would have fixed it. And then the last thing is behind this glove box, mounted to the side of the blower motor, is a blower motor resistor. That I'll tell you what, let me empty this out. And I'll show you. I may need, yeah, I'm going to shut this off. I'll be right back. Here's the blower motor. This stupid thing right here, I cannot tell you how many times I have had to replace this stupid blower motor resistor in order to get AC. And it always quits when it's at its hottest or at its coldest. And this time, it had destroyed the other end of the pigtail, so I had to replace this, and I had to rewire the whole pigtail in there. Just absolute design BS. I can't believe that I've had to do this so many times. And I'll tell you what, these little stupid things that I gotta keep fixing over and over, I may not buy another Ford. I may go GMC next time. I'm giving some real consideration to GMC. It's actually probably going to be 2 or 3 years before I buy another truck. And my thinking is I'll be 62 or 63 then. And, you know, I keep my trucks about 10 years or so. And by the time, if I get a new truck when I'm 62 or 63, it'll probably last me till I can't see well enough to drive or I'm dead. You know, I really don't expect to live that long because I've not led a healthy life. You know, I did lots of booze and lots of drugs, when I was a young man, and I smoked cigarettes, and I've broken bones, and I've lived a life that caused me lots of injuries, some of them facial, you probably know what I mean. But I wouldn't change a thing. I've had a very happy, very exciting life, and so if I die young, you know, young being in my early 70s, I'm okay with that, and I've had a great life. So anyway, I'm just about fed up with fixing stupid stuff on my Ford truck, and I'm ready to try fixing stupid stuff on another brand. There you go. Oh yeah, here's the pigtail that I had to replace, and you can probably see why. I hung on to it so I would know what the color coding for the wiring is. So, thanks, Ford. This is one of the dumbest things I've ever heard of. It's not a part you got to replace over and over, about once a year. Yeah, this thing's 10 years old, and actually probably every other year. Although this one that's in there now, it's probably less than 6 months old, along with the new wiring harness. So this is some real Class A BS, Ford. All right, back to bad-mouthing Chevys and Dodges.